My 3D printer hasn't been getting that much love lately, so let's fix that. Wow, that was a lot of upgrades. So I know my 3D printer itself hasn't been shown a lot on the channel lately. A lot of it has been stuff that we've made with the 3D printer. So I thought I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing with the 3D printer. Now, the whole idea for this video got started when I wanted to get a CR Touch auto leveler, but there was a lot of struggle to get to this point.
Okay everyone, say it with me. We'll fix it later.
I did a lot of research before this install, but it was not enough. Everything went really smoothly. I got it unboxed, I got it put on the printer itself, and I even got it connected to the motherboard without issue. But after that, when it came to software, that was a different story. There's some issues with what firmware you should use. You have to know your motherboard, you have to know what firmware you're already running on the screen. There's a lot of software you can choose from. I compare it to when you go to a store and you're in the cookie aisle. There's so many cookies you can pick from, but you end up just getting them all. Yeah, I'm just gonna get them all. And that's what I did, and I ended up corrupting an SD card. After I had the issues with the micro SD card, there was a whole week in which I could not use my printer. This is in no way Creality's fault, this is my fault because I just didn't do enough research when it came to installing a CR Touch. Out, and I actually got it working. I have this new software that is so nice. I'll link it in the description. It is a very professional style software that you can use with your printer and tells you a lot of details that you really want to know when you're working with your 3D printer. Now that my CR Touch is working and the 3D printer is back, let's get into the real upgrades that I got. The biggest 3D printed upgrade I made for my printer was cable chain. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. We make some 3D printer videos. We also make go-kart videos. It's a lot of fun. We do a lot of variety stuff over here. Cable chain helps organize all your cables into one area and makes it a lot easier while printing to not have it get in the way. So far, as of recording this video, I have not used the cable chain yet, so I do not know how it's going, but it does its job in organizing the cables. It also adds a lot of personalization to your printer. Aesthetically, it looks really good now. The next upgrade I did is bed slot covers. If you've already watched our first video about when we got this 3D printer and assembled it, you know that I already printed bed slot covers that were in blue. Now, although I did like the look of the blue and I'm still keeping them, I wanted to make this 3D printer a little bit more personalized, a little more original, and make it look a little bit cooler. Now the bed slot covers match the cable chain. Now these slot covers are not only just for looks, they also keep a lot of dust and excess filament out from in between the little C channels, which are really hard to clean. So overall, it's a nice little upgrade. Now, this last and final upgrade is the sketchiest out of all of them. It is the frame handle. The reason why I printed a frame handle is because I want to be able to move it from place to place without worrying about where I'm grabbing too much. And the reason why it's sketchy is because it is all plastic. It is high infill, but it slides around a lot. It's also plastic, so I'm really worried about it just snapping off. Time will tell on whether or not that'll be an issue. I really did want to do a lot of upgrades to my 3D printer, but I do want to say really quick that this video was inspired by this guy Scott's series on upgrading his Ender 3. It is very good. I got a lot of ideas from him. Please go check him out if you haven't already. He makes great videos on a whole bunch of other stuff, so check him out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This isn't a normal video regarding the 3D printer. I wanted to try a lot of new stuff out, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. I am starting to run a little low on filament, so leave your PLA, ABS, or PETG suggestions in the comment section below. Be sure to take a look at them, and you know, I know we're not a big channel, but if you're a brand out there that makes filament, hit us up. We would be willing to test some and maybe make a video about it, so let us know. You can DM us on our Instagram at RealWeMadeThat. I'll put it on the screen right here. And even if you aren't a company, check us out on our Instagram. We post a lot of our shorts that we post on YouTube over there if that's more convenient for you. We also post some stuff that we don't necessarily post in our community post on YouTube. Like and subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.